What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Evolution Daily YouTube channel. My name is Aaron Alexander. I am Planet Earth's #1 dating coach. Make sure you smash that subscribe button if you've yet to do so already, because I am dropping bangers every single day. In this video right now, I am going to teach you how to be funny, because I'm telling you right now that humor is the most misunderstood and underutilized aspect of game. There's kind of these visions that guys have of just running James Bond game. I'm a man of few words. I let the girl do 90% of the talking and she falls into my arms and then we fall in love forever. It's bullshit. It's really bullshit. Very, very few, very select men are going to be able to pull that off, and it's probably not you. So I'm going to give you right now 2 very easy, very simple hacks. Like this. Listen to me. This video, save it right now, like it, fucking send it to your grandma. These are the 2 simplest ways that even if you're the most boring guy in the world, even if all you do is slouch around your house all day, you have no life experience, this is how to be funny. This is the most profound 2 hacks you've ever heard in your life for being funny, either when you're on a date or when you're cold approaching, day game, night game. 2 hacks to be funny. Are you ready for it? Drum roll, please. Can we get some drumsticks? Can you go give me some drumsticks? I'm kidding. Hey, look at it. Look, hear me out. Here we go. 2 steps. 2 hacks for being funny. 1, numero uno. Number 1 hack. Instead of asking questions, do cold reads. Let me explain. Again, you might not have a funny bone in your body. You might not be a funny person. But if you guess something instead of ask something, it's always funny. So we were just down in Miami this weekend, and my students were like, okay, so, then should I ask where she's from, whatever. I'm like, no, guess she's from Wisconsin. They're like, what? What do you mean? Why would she be from Wisconsin? I'm like, she's probably not. And if she is, it's crazy. So imagine you go up to a girl, hey, how's it going? She's like, hi. I just thought you were cute. Wanted to come say what's up. Oh, hi. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Oh, I'm from da-da-da-da. Are you from Wisconsin? What? What do you mean? No, I'm not from Wisconsin. Do we look like we're from Wisconsin? I mean, I don't know. I was getting like a Wisconsin vibe. No, we're from LA. Oh, okay. I mean, I don't know. A lot of Wisconsin girls here. No, we're not from Wisconsin. Well, what are you guys doing here in Miami? Fun. Playful, cold read. Instead of asking a girl, where do you work? Or do you work in the area? Instead of that, even just being like, do you work at Chipotle over in Short North? No, I don't work at Chipotle. What do you mean? Oh, I don't know. I just thought maybe you worked at Chipotle. No, I'm a marketing analyst over at blah, blah, blah. Hilarious. Cold reading is funny. Do more cold reads. Again, you don't have to be funny. Hack number 2, because it's just as good as the first one. But before I tell you that, join the Evolution Daily Mastermind. You're a fool not to. This video that I'm giving you right now, I have so many videos on this subject in my full-length course, Engage, which you get inside of the Mastermind. All this is available down below. You get my full night game course, my full day game course, my full everything course, Engage. You get the lost tapes, all my infields that are no longer available anywhere else, and the Closers Masterclass, where me and one of my girls for 1 hour show you how to seal the deal in the bedroom, if you catch my drift. It's all down below. You get a 7-day trial for signing up today. Check it out. You guys are absolutely going to love it. Tip number 2. Hack number 2, I should say. You don't have to be funny to do this. All you have to do is, instead of always agreeing with her answers and saying, oh, that's really cool. Oh, cool. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Cool. Yeah. Oh, that's really nice. That's really cool. Make fun of her answers. Make fun of her answers. And the easiest line, you're one of those? What do you mean one of those? What would you say? So just out of curiosity, what would you say is your favorite movie of all time? I'd probably say, I would have to say Forgetting Sarah Marshall. Oh, you're one of those? What do you mean? What do you mean one of those? I mean, a comedy can't be your favorite movie of all time. Well, it is. I love it. Playful, fun. You're spiking it up. You say you even stack on the first one. What are you guys from, Wisconsin? No, what do you mean? We're from New York? Oh, that's even worse. Just making fun of girls' answers to your questions is a very fun, playful way to spice things up and be funny. So number 1, cold reads. Number 2, making fun of answers. You don't have to be a funny person to pull these off. This is something that years ago I realized some guys just don't understand humor. You want to get a good understanding of humor, and the best way to do that really is to listen to the funniest podcast of all time, which is the Evolution Daily Podcast. We drop brand new episodes on Spotify, podcast app, everything, even here on YouTube, Wednesdays and Sundays, 2 episodes a week. That will show you what humor is. I'm one of the funniest human beings alive, easily. So listen to the podcast. That'll help you out as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed these 2 hacks. Again, join us in the mastermind. On top of all the courses you get immediately, including all my infield that's not available anywhere else, you also then have very simple instructions once you join to join our Facebook group as well. It's the most active Facebook group in all of pickup, all of dating, all of self-development. Myself and all the other guys in there are dropping exclusive videos, exclusive content all the time, field reports, breaking down what went wrong on dates, breaking down what went right on dates. We all just kill it in that group constantly and support each other and uplift each other. You are only ever going to succeed with women if you have a community around you to motivate you. I cannot tell you how many times I would have not gone out. I would have not gone and done day game, where then I ended up getting a number and sleeping with some girl. I would have not gone out and done night game, had an epic weekend. If I didn't have wings, if I didn't have people keeping me accountable. The Evolution Daily Mastermind keeps you accountable. When you're inside, you also gain access to our weekly group coaching seminar. I am present every single week, answering your questions, delivering a sermon, and it's beautiful. Everything is down below, evolutiondailymastermind.com. Hope this video helped you to learn how to be funny. Send it to your grandma. Send it to your best friend. See you guys in the next video. Peace.